Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I decided to create this Vishu festive makeup look. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm starting off with the moisturizer. You can use any favorite moisturizer that you have. I'm using the PAC water based moisturizer. So I'm going to be applying it to my face and neck. For priming my face, I'll be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This acts as a smooth surface for the base makeup and also helps the makeup to stay intact. So now I'm mixing the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light with the foundation for that extra glow. I have used the lighter shade concealer to the highest point of my face and blending it using a beauty blender. I am using some loose powder under my eyes and all over the face. For the eye makeup, I am keeping it very simple and neat. I am using a light peach color as my transition shade. And for the outer V, a bit darker shade is used to create some definition. I'm picking this molten gold shade from Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter to match my outfit. I'm just applying and blending the product with my ring finger. Moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. Once I'm done with the wing, I'm doing the same on my lower waterline and lash line. Now I'm filling the eyebrows with the Miss Claire eyebrow powder. I'm contouring my nose using some contour powder, and for some natural flush of color to my cheeks, I'm adding a soft blush. And now I'm highlighting the eyebrow bone, inner corner and the highest point of my face. I'm using a red lip liner from Star Cosmetics to line my lips. And now I'm using this dazzling red lip color from MAC Cosmetics and setting my makeup using PAC setting spray. To complete this look, I'm adding a red bindi. And here's the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.